Hey there YouTube, Far North Racing here. So it's almost Christmas and I'm off work, and she who must be obeyed is scampered off to her mother's to help get ready for some family shindig that I have to be part of in a couple of days. So I'm left alone and unsupervised. And we all know when that happens that I wander into the shop and mad scientisting starts to happen. So over here we have some sort of electrical pneumatic sort of deal. Over here we have a power supply, and down here and coming up here and then following that up to there we have air connected. Now I wonder what this thing could possibly do. Like, what happens if we energize this power supply like so? Ah, look at that. Electrically controlled air misting. I wonder what that could do. Check it out in a couple days. Thanks for watching.